What's up, guys? Welcome to another GNCRC video. Today you see I have the trusted unboxing knife out, so you know what time it is. If you guys would like to get your own handy unboxing knife, go ahead and click the link below. If you're not subbed to the channel, make sure you hit that sub button and go ahead and hit that notification button for me as well. This is what I have. This is courtesy of G.U.R.U's RC. Make sure you guys go over and you follow his channel for great content. Let's hurry up and get him to 1,000 subs. I'm really blown away. I'm really grateful. I'm really thankful. And man, I'm excited. This is my first 10 scale, guys. First 10 scale. You guys know I have several different 124 crawlers. Now G.U.R.U has introduced me to the 10 scale craze, and it's just in time. It's about to cool down, business slows down, and I have a little time to get out here and enjoy this thing. So guys, make sure you stay tuned, and we're gonna have a bunch of videos coming out soon on this thing, what I'm gonna do with it, how I'm gonna use it for the channel and all, guys. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. But before we get into this, let me say once again, thanks to G.U.R.U's RC. Make sure you guys go over and check out his channel. I'll put the link down below. I'm excited. I got it yesterday and I didn't open it, and I was really excited, but I wanted to open it with you guys so you guys can see what it is. So you guys see what it says. Let's just go ahead and get into this thing. Oh wow, he got this thing really packaged up well. Oh boy, here we go. First and foremost, we look like we got a brand new body right here. This looks to be it says it right here. Oh, trail walker body. Now, for the meat and potatoes. Down here. All right, guys, this is the Element Sendero, if I'm not mistaken. Sendero. Shout out to G.U.R.U's RC. And from what I can tell, it is ready to roll. It looked like it's perfect condition. G.U.R.U don't look like he really even ran this thing. Time to. You guys know he got a ton of RC, so that's why you gotta go and check out his channel. Look at there, guys. My first 10 scale. He even sent me a radio, like a light kit, and a bumper, or I guess you guys know what I mean. Look like some body parts. Nice. What is this? Okay. See if it says. And some more gears. Look like everything that it probably came with. Along with a new body, might I add. As a bunch of guys know, I talked about the Ecto. I had a conversation with G.U.R.U. We talked about several different crawlers, and I talked about the Ecto. And all of a sudden, here I am. Look what I have. I am very excited about this, guys. I don't know a whole lot about this thing because I am accustomed to 124 crawlers, but I do know it's gonna be a blast. I can definitely tell you that. This is my first crawler, and 10 scale crawler, I'm sorry. You guys know I got my first crawler. I mean, I guess it's been about a year ago, maybe a little bit longer. You know, probably a little bit longer, but I do remember him telling me 1.5s, and he was saying that we may want to change those out, which I'll find out at some point. Just depends on what setup I run. A bunch of you guys know I talked about the Element Ecto, and far as I know on this particular one, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong because I really don't know. The only thing that's different is this has trail. The Ecto has trail arms, and this is just trail links. But I have seen videos of this thing, and it looks like a very capable rig. Got some weight to it. We're all set up. I see a front forward battery mount, which is cool. twin servo mounts I see, but I'm assuming that is for a winch or something like that. I could be wrong, I don't know. Oil filled shocks from far as I can tell. This thing feels good. But you know, he used to crawl this thing, trail it, so I know he knows. I'm sure it's set up perfect. I can't wait to get out there and get a video done. So all I got to do is, this thing is ready. I'm gonna pop my receiver in here. It already has a receiver because he did give me a radio. But I'm gonna pop one of my receivers in here. I'm gonna get this thing set up. I'm gonna have to change out this to, I'm probably gonna go with EC3s, probably more than likely. Change these to EC3s. I got a ton of those, so I'm probably change that. And I got to figure out the battery size that I want to go with. Get the body painted up. Get the body all cut out, painted up. I think this is really gonna look good. I can't wait, guys. I'm not gonna bore you with this thing, but make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you go over to G.U.R.U's RC. Link will be in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and sub to his channel. Shout out to you once again, G.U.R.U. I really appreciate it, man. I am totally excited about this because this is my first 110, and this is just in time. The weather's about to change, and I can go outside. We don't have any rocks here. We probably don't have really any rocks at all. There's a few places that we have that we can kind of crawl rocks, but I do know a few guys around here that got some courses. So you guys make sure you stay tuned. Most importantly, make sure you subscribe to G.U.R.U's RC. I'll give you an update video pretty soon on some of the other stuff I've been working on. Once again, thanks G.U.R.U's RC for this mean rig. Till next time, this is GNCRC.